Hi, today our lesson is only for the beginners of algebra, the newly who first time starting to use algebra in their life. First, we are going to talk about the lesson equation. What does it mean, equation? Equation, if you have an expression or one or two or more expressions with the sign of equal, then it will be equation. Okay, so if you have two expressions or expression equal a number, then this is an equation. For example, if you have an expression 2x plus 5, then if this is an algebraic expression, if I put it equal to 13, then this would be an equation. So if such an equation comes to you, you will ask you find the solution or solve. It means find what will be the variable x equal. Now I'm going to teach you a very basic thing. In the future it will be higher level. We will not do such things, but this is for especially for the beginners of algebra. Now, you have to find the solution of variable x when x equal, you'll give you so many numbers. Let's say 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Normally, such things like this we call it set. A set of numbers. And each number inside is called an element. So we have a set of x, 2, 3, 4, 5, elements 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now how we can find the x here? So we have to substitute each number inside the x, variable x. So let's make a table. Put here the variable x, then here is the equation 2x plus 5 equal 13, and then here the number which we are going to substitute, is it true or false? So this will be true or false. So let's start with number 2. When x equal 2, then I have to substitute 2 here. So 2x means 2 times x. So 2 into 2 plus 5. So what it will be to 4? 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 is equal to 13? No. So false. Let's try for 3. 3. So I put 2 times 3 plus 5. Is it equal to 13? So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. So it's not equal to 13. Again, false. So let's go to 4. Try 4. So 2 times x, it means 2 times 4 plus 5. Is it equal to 13? So 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. Then this is correct. Then this is true. So the answer is the solution. We write the solution x equal to 4. That is the answer. So I hope for the beginning of algebra, you have to follow this way. Later on in higher grades or in more levels, we'll teach you the way to solve equations. But please go on this basic one. Let's give some examples. Hi again. Now, how the type of question will come to you for the equation? The first one was if x is included in the equation. Second type, if the variable x1 or whatsoever you separate it and find the value of that variable without substituting anything or any set or any element, anyhow. So it will come the equation, solve the equation. So it means you have to find the value of this variable a. So this is the equation, 32 minus 2 into 2. It means a is equal, you know the PEMDAS. If you don't know, we'll make another video for that. So 32, you start with the parentheses. So minus 18. So a will be equal to 40. That will be the answer. So this is the way of solving a simple, very simple equation to find the variable when the variable is isolated. Let's go give another example. If I had 27 plus 5 over 16 gives you x. So find the value of x. We say first do the addition. So 27 plus 5 is 32 over 16 give me x. So 32 divided by 16 is 2. So 2 is equal to x. It means x will be equal to 2. Try to put always after you finish, even if the variable on the other side, it doesn't matter. But when you finish, try to keep the variable on the left side, because 2 equal x, it means x equal 2. Why? You will know in the future that always the answer will be variable equal a number. And don't forget to put a box around the answer. We'll give you 2 more examples, final examples. Now, don't feel surprised for such an equation if it comes to you. See the result. Solve the equation 3 squared minus 2 times 3. When you see a big dot between the two numbers and it's upper, not down, it's not decimal point, it's times. 2 times 3 plus g is equal to 3 squared minus 3 times 8 into 2 plus g. Let's see. Now you know, you have to start, if you take this expression, you have to start with parentheses. After parentheses, we start with exponent. After exponent, multiplying or dividing, and then adding or subtracting. So the first parenthesis is not available, so we go to exponent. 3 squared is 9. Then we go, after that, exponent, multiplication or division. So we have multiplication minus 2 times 3 is 6 plus g. Let's see here what it will happen. First, finish inside the parentheses. It will be 3 is 9 minus 3 times 8 is 24 times 2 plus g. So 9 minus 6 is 3 plus g. Is it equal to 9 minus 24 is minus 15 times 2 plus g. So this will keep it as it is, because number with variable cannot be combined. So minus 30 minus 15 times 2 is negative 30 plus 3. Wherever you go in the world, you cannot say these are equal. 3 plus g is equal to negative 30 plus g. So as long as they are not equal, we say here no solution. As long as this expression is not equal to this, there is no solution. Let's do the final example. Now, if you face an equation like this, and you will see the result. Let's see what we will write. Let's see this expression first. 6y is 6y plus, let's see the parentheses. We start with multiplication, not addition, subtraction. We say 3 times 10 is 30 minus 8 is equal to 2 times 3 is 6y plus 22. Now, let's say this is 6y plus 30 minus 8 is 22 equal to 6y plus 22. So you can see that this expression 6y plus 22 is equal to 6y plus 22. Whatever the variable you give to y, it will fit this equation. So if you fit y equal 1, so 6 plus 22 is 28, and it will be equal to 28. So here we write solution is all real numbers. Real numbers. Whatever you give a number, you substitute it in y, it will fit this equation. So be careful from no solution and all real numbers. I hope the lesson is easy for you. Thank you very much.